Welcome back to Decor Insider, where we turn beautiful design ideas into reality. Today, we're diving into one of the most relaxing and elegant spaces in any home, the modern luxury bathroom. Whether you're planning a full renovation or just looking for inspiration, this video will help you imagine how a bathroom can become your own personal spa. From marble finishes to floating vanities, we'll explore the perfect mix of style, comfort, and calm. So let's get started. When designing a luxury modern bathroom, the first thing to focus on is the feeling you want to create. A modern luxury bathroom should feel calm, spacious, and elegant, a place where every detail looks clean and intentional. The design is not about showing off, it's about balance, comfort, and beauty in simplicity. Start with the color palette. Luxury modern bathrooms usually use soft, neutral shades, white, beige, light gray, or stone tones. These colors make the space look brighter and more open. You can add contrast with black or gold fixtures for a refined touch. If you want a warm, natural feel, add wooden accents around the vanity or shelving. Next, let's talk about the materials. High-end bathrooms often use marble, porcelain, or quartz for both floors and walls. Large tiles or seamless slabs help the bathroom look clean and spacious. If you prefer texture, consider using micro-cement or Venetian plaster, which give a smooth, continuous surface with a soft sheen. These finishes not only look elegant but are also easy to clean and maintain. Now, the bathtub is often the centerpiece of a luxury modern bathroom. A freestanding bathtub instantly adds a high-end look. Choose one with a soft oval or sculptural shape. Place it near a large window or under a hanging light to make it a true focal point. Pair it with a floor-mounted faucet in matte black or brushed gold for that luxurious spa feeling. You can also add a small stool or wooden tray beside the tub for candles and bath essentials. For the shower area, the key is openness. A walk-in glass shower with a frameless design looks sleek and modern. Use a rainfall shower head and add a handheld sprayer for convenience. Built-in wall niches with LED strip lighting make the space functional and stylish. The space allows go for a dual shower setup. The vanity is another important part of a luxury bathroom. A floating vanity creates a sense of space and looks elegant. Choose a countertop made of marble or quartz with an undermounted or vessel sink. Handleless drawers give a clean, modern look, and under-cabinet lighting adds a warm glow at night. You can pair it with a large backlit mirror to reflect light and make the room look larger. Lighting plays a major role in setting the mood. Combine recessed ceiling lights, backlit mirrors, and accent lighting around key areas. Dimmable warm lights help you switch between bright light for getting ready in the morning and soft, relaxing light for evening baths. Natural light also makes a huge difference, so if possible, include a window or skylight to make the space feel airy and calm. Storage should be simple and hidden. Luxury modern bathrooms avoid clutter, so use built-in cabinets and open niches to keep everything organized. You can also use floating shelves with matching containers for a neat, uniform look. Adding natural elements brings warmth and life into the space. A small potted plant like an orchid or fern instantly adds a fresh touch. You can also include wooden accents or bamboo trays to balance out the coolness of stone or tile. Don't forget the decor details that complete the space. Rolled white towels, glass jars for cotton pads, and minimal artwork or framed prints can all enhance the atmosphere. Scented candles or essential oil diffusers with gentle aromas like eucalyptus or sandalwood help create a spa-like experience. When you combine all these elements, the soft colors, smooth finishes, elegant fixtures, and thoughtful lighting, your bathroom becomes more than just a functional space. It becomes a peaceful retreat where you can unwind after a long day and start each morning feeling refreshed.